Welcome to our guide on how to call Hong Kong for free. In this presentation, we'll explore different methods and tools you can use. Wi-Fi calling. You can make free calls to any number in Hong Kong using a Wi-Fi connection. Check with your carrier to see if Wi-Fi calling. There are many free calling websites that allow you to make calls to Hong Kong for free. Simply search for free calling websites. Virtual phone numbers, like those offered by Callmama, come with international calling and text features that allow you to make free calls. Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, services like Skype and Google Hangouts allow you to make free calls to Hong Kong using. There are many free calling apps that allow you to make calls to Hong Kong for free. Simply search for free calling apps. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to call Hong Kong for free. We hope you found this information useful and that you'll Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.